Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Exam Stuff Online. In this Exam Stuff Online, I will teach you stock GK and current affairs which are very useful for any competitive examinations. Today's topic is Olympics. What are the types of Olympics? When was the modern Olympics started? Who won the first gold medal for India in Olympics? Who was the first Indian woman to win the Olympics? How many Olympic medals has India won? These are the types of questions which are going to explain in this video. To never miss my videos, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Olympics is the first largest multi-sport event in the world. More than 200 plus nations participated once in every 4 years. Before going to know about the Olympics, let me explain about the types of Olympics. There are 4 types of Olympics. First, Summer Olympics or Olympics. Second, Paralympics. Third, Winter Olympics. And fourth, Youth Olympics. In this video, we are going to discuss about Summer Olympics and Paralympics. Summer Olympics. The ancient Olympic Games began at Olympia, a village in Greece, which is located in Southeast Europe continent, in 776 AD. Modern Olympic Games started in the year 1896 at Athens. The Olympic Games were conducted once in every 4 years. Due to World War I, which was held in between 1914 to 1918, and World War II, which was held in between 1939 to 1945 August 9th, these Olympic Games are not conducted in 1916, 1940 and 1944. There are mainly 3 important things to keep in mind: Olympic ring, Olympic motto and Olympic frame. Olympic ring was introduced in 1920 at Belgium Olympics. This ring shows 5 different colors. Each color represents one continent. Blue represents Europe, black represents Africa, red represents America, yellow represents Asia and green represents Australia. Second, Olympic motto was introduced in 1924 at France Olympics. The motto was faster, higher and stronger, proposed by the Pierre de Coubertin. This is the main motto, but every nation can conduct their own mottos. Third, Olympic flame was introduced in 1928 at Netherlands and Switzerland Olympics. Recently, the Olympic Games was conducted in 2016. 2016 Olympic highlights. Hosted by the city Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Edition 28. Motto: A New World. Number of nations participated: 206. Number of sports conducted: 28. And events: 306. Confused? Let me explain. Running is a sport in that 400 meters, 200 meters are events. Indians participated 117 in 15 sports. To represent one particular nation in the opening day as well as closing day, one team have to show their national flag. They were called flag bearer. From India, in opening ceremony, the flag bearer was Abhinav Bindra, India's first individual gold medalist. In closing ceremony, flag bearer was Sakshi Malik, 2016 bronze medalist. 2016 rankings: first America, 121 medals, second Great Britain, 67 medals, third China, 70 medals. If you observe, China got more medals than Britain, but it secured third because the Britain have more gold medals than China. India ranks at 67th with 2 medals. 1. PV Sindhu, silver in badminton. Second, Sakshi Malik, bronze in wrestling. Some important key points to remember. 2012 Olympics held at London, 2016 Olympics held at Brazil, 2020 Olympics to be held at Tokyo, Japan, 2024 Olympics to be held at Paris, and 2028 Olympics to be held at Los Angeles. Indians at Olympics. Note: first Indian medal winner Norman Pichard, 200 meters running, got silver medal in 1900 Paris Olympics. Britishers sent him from Indian team because up to 1947 we are under Britishers. After 1947 August 15th, 1952 KD Jadhav, wrestling, bronze medal. Second, 1996 Leander Paes in tennis bronze medal. Third, in 2000 Sydney Olympics, Karnam Malleshwari from weightlifting category got bronze medal. First Indian woman to receive Olympic medal. Fourth, 2004 Rajvardhan Singh Rathod, shooting silver. First Indian to receive Olympic silver. He served as the Ministry of State for Information Broadcasting and Ministry of State for Youth Affairs and Sports. Fifth, 2008 Beijing Olympics, Abhinav Bindra, shooting gold. First Indian to receive Olympic gold. Sixth, 2008 Vijayendra Singh in boxing bronze medal. Seventh, 2008 Sushil Kumar in wrestling bronze medal. Eighth, 2012 London Olympics, Vijay Kumar in shooting silver medal. Ninth, 2012 Sushil Kumar again in wrestling silver medal. 10th, 2012 Saina Nehwal in badminton bronze medal. 11th, 2012 Mary Kom in boxing bronze medal. 12th, in 2012 Gagan Narang in shooting bronze medal. 13, 2012 Yogeshwar Dutt in wrestling bronze medal. 14th, 2016 Brazil Olympics, PV Sindhu in badminton silver medal. 15, 2016 Sakshi Malik in wrestling bronze medal. Indian national game hockey from 1928. Note, in Olympics, especially in hockey, India won 8 gold medals in 1928, 32, 36, 48, 52, 56, 64 and 68, and 1 silver medal in 1960. Mention below the first known Olympic person to you in the comment section. Next, second type of Olympics, Paralympics. The Paralympics was introduced in the year 1960 at Rome Olympics. Some key points to remember. 16th edition was held in 2016 at Brazil. 17th edition to be held in 2020 at Tokyo, Japan. 18th edition to be held in 2024 at Paris. 19th edition to be held in 2028 at Los Angeles. Paralympics held at the same place where Summer Olympics took place after 1 month. Persons who are facing spinal disabilities are eligible for Paralympics. The motto of Paralympics was Spirit in Motion. 2016 Paralympics highlights, hosted by the city Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. The motto was A New World. Number of nations participated 159. Number of sports conducted 22 and events 528. Indians participated 19 in 5 sports. Flag bearer for opening ceremony Devendra Jajaria and for closing ceremony Mariappa Thangavelu. Indians at 2016 Paralympics. First, Mariappa Thangavelu in high jump got gold medal. Second, Devendra Jajaria in javelin throw got gold medal. Third, Deepa Malik in shot put silver medal. Fourth, Varun Singh Bhati in high jump got bronze medal. Total 4 medals. India ranks at 43rd. First, China with 239 medals. Second, Great Britain with 147 medals. And third, Ukraine with 117 medals. To fare this class notes, go through the link below this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and all the best competitors.